Here is a world-renowned China Motor City, the world's leading power generator equipment manufacturing base. Shenzhou Wanda Company has come a long way to take the lead in this industry with its excellent R&D and innovation capabilities. It has a wide range of products, including ordinary type, low noise, mobile power station, multi-computer interaction, and other kinds of new energy generating sets, with power coverage of 5 to 3,000 kVA. Mainly used in military, communication, factories and mines, ships, airports, hotels, and other places. From design and development to production and manufacturing, every part is strictly controlled, and every process is carefully operated. Even a switch, a copper wire, or a screw will be carefully selected with the most critical eyes to guarantee the quality. The metal shell and all parts are waterproof, mildew-proof, acid and alkali resistant, anti-corrosion treatment to maximize the durability of the product. Shenzhou Wanda has been responding to every trust of customers with actions. The company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14000, OSAS 18000, and other domestic and foreign qualification certification, and obtained a number of technical patents. At the same time, it has developed stable cooperation with many well-known power and generator manufacturers at home and abroad. Highly trained professional sales team are here not only to deliver the quality products, but also to ensure each customer's satisfaction. Shenzhou Wanda focuses on the research and development of more energy efficient, more durable, more powerful power equipment, personalized customization, so that the 20-year brand will benefit customers around the world.